We get asked all the time, what are the safety features for our Australian manufactured Compass home elevator? Let's talk about them. Hi, my name's James. I'm going to talk to you about all of the safety features for our Australian manufactured Compass home elevator. So what happens if you're in the lift and the power goes out? What do? You actually don't need to do anything. The lift has a mains backup battery system that will automatically engage and drive you down and keep the lights on, and you'll end up on the ground floor just like you normally would. So in summary, the lift will operate as per normal with its backup battery system. So what happens if the lift gets stuck in between levels? Well, our Compass lift has its own in-cabin self-rescue gravity descent system. Let's show you how it works. So the first thing you want to do is not panic. Step 1, open the access panel door. Step 2, grab the handle and pop the safety tag, and then pull the handle down and the lift will gradually gravity descend you down to the bottom floor. Step 3, once you've arrived at the bottom level, you're going to simply get the door lock override key, put it in the door, turn it, and simply exit the lift. So let's talk about why this system is so unique and so important. To start with, we are only able to do this in-cabin self-gravity rescue system because we're the only manufacturer who has an on-board drive system. So in summary, our true in-cabin self-rescue gravity descent system is the only system on the market that enables you to get out and down every single time, no matter what. This is an absolute game changer for the home elevator industry. So what happens if you forget all of our revolutionary safety features? Well, that's fine. The lift has its own phone, and we have a 24-hour call centre that enables you to call our on-call technicians 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. To find out more about our Australian manufactured Compass home elevator and its industry-leading safety features, plus more, please get in contact with us to book a showroom appointment.